Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
It's 2021 and a malicious software named Pegasus, developed by an Israeli company named NSO Group, is receiving renewed attention in India. The last time Pegasus received attention was in 2019. That was when WhatsApp revealed how the Pegasus software had been delivered to victim phones via the WhatsApp messaging app. Around 2 dozen Indians had been targeted, including activists, lawyers, and journalists. The print now looks at what is Pegasus, who made it, and how dangerous are its capabilities. So, to begin with, what is Pegasus? Well, Pegasus is a type of malicious software or a malware classified as spyware. Spyware like Pegasus is designed to gain access to your device without your knowledge and gathers your personal information and relays it back to whoever it is that is using Pegasus to spy on you. And what can Pegasus do? Well, Pegasus has been called the ultimate spyware for iOS and Android and is the most sophisticated attack ever seen. What makes Pegasus so desirable to anyone trying to spy on someone is that Pegasus is even able to hack into iPads and iPhones. These are Apple products which are touted to be among the safest and best for data privacy for a consumer to use. A hacker would typically try to infect a victim device with Pegasus using a phishing link, usually sent via a text message, which looks like an innocent, benign message. Clicking on the phishing link then would, without the victim's knowledge, start the download of Pegasus on the victim device and sets up a connection with a hacker's command computer, which could be thousands of miles away. The hacker can then communicate with the Pegasus spyware via the remote command center and issue directions for what information the Pegasus spyware should send back to the hacker's server. In this way, Pegasus can be used to gather a vast amount of information about the victim. This will include passwords, contact lists, calendar events, text messages, and live voice calls from popular mobile messaging apps. The operator can even turn on the phone's camera and microphone to capture activity in the phone's vicinity. In addition, Pegasus could even listen to encrypted audio streams and read encrypted messages. Another interesting thing about Pegasus is how good it is at keeping itself hidden. Pegasus self-destructs if it can't communicate with the hacker's control center for over 60 days, or if it detects that it has been installed on a device with the wrong SIM card, since NSO made Pegasus for targeted spying on selected victims, not spying on just everyone and anyone. So who made Pegasus? Well, Pegasus is developed by an Israeli firm named NSO Group. A brief made available by human rights NGO Amnesty International says use of the name NSO Group originates with NSO Group Technologies Limited, an Israeli corporation established on the 25th of January 2010. The first name initials of the founders form the acronym NSO. NSO founders are Israel businessmen according to the Amnesty document and are Nev Karmi, Shalev Julio, and Omri Lavi. The Amnesty report citing Julio says the NSO's goal was to develop technology that would provide law enforcement and intelligence agencies with direct remote access to mobile phones and their content, a workaround to the increasingly widespread use of encryption in the digital environment. The Amnesty report adds that Julio claimed the idea for a service and company like NSO was inspired by a request from European authorities that were familiar with his and Omri Lavi's existing work on cell phone carrier customer service technology. And the final question, who uses Pegasus? Well, NSO does not openly name who buys their product named Pegasus to spy on victims. However, an NSO document says strict legal, contractual, and commercial constraints limit our freedom to disclose specific information, including information regarding our customers and our products. Furthermore, as we have no knowledge of the actual use of our products by our customers, we cannot report on it. The NSO website says NSO products are used exclusively by government intelligence and law enforcement agencies to fight crime and terror. There have been reports of Pegasus being used in 45 countries such as India, Bahrain, Kazakhstan, Mexico, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. For The Print, this is Regina Mindukula Surya. Do not forget to subscribe to The Print's YouTube channel. And as always, keep tabs on us across all forms of social media.